back to Weku Gardens. I'm Christina, and I wanted to come by to share with you some tips for indoor gardening and keeping those pesky gnats away at bay. Alright, so maybe we'll start with like the least effective to like the best. Okay, so this little person right here, or this little guy. I've tried it. I think this was like 8 months old, and I hate to say it, it's been plugged in for 8 months, and there is nothing in here. Nothing. And I know I should do a better job at conserving energy, but I think I'm done with this. Like, I've even checked it like 2 or 3 times to make sure the sticky side is exposed, and it is. This is not effective at all. No luck, no dice. The second thing is another plugin that I have. It's by It has caught a few things. I have it right near my door, and it's caught a few things and lights up. It's kind of aesthetically, instead of having like a fly zapper on the wall. But at this point, this one be effective, right? The next thing that are really inexpensive are these sticky traps, and they work really well. You either hang them from a branch, or you can use like a little stake and sit it in your pot. Now these, to kind of get double for your money, you can actually cut these in half. One, you hang it up, and then the other one that you cut in half, you can just stake it in your plant, so you kind of get double for your money. So that's really cool. These are more sticky traps, and they come in different shapes. Same, no issues with these. They work really well. The only thing is, once they get big, like 6 or so gnats or bugs on them, they don't look as nice, but it's all good. Now the major thing that has helped me and kept the bugs at bay and kept the kids quiet and all of this is this little guy right here, and we've had him for years. It's very effective. It zaps, and that's it. We actually keep this on most times. So yeah, and also making sure you water your seedlings or your starts from the bottom. That helps a lot too, because the top surface is kind of where the gnats like to lay their eggs and stuff like that. So that would definitely help with the life cycle, just in case you get a bad bag of soil or seed starting mix that may have some eggs on the inside. That's ginger. But yeah, I just want to come by and share that information with you. So I hope you liked it. Make sure you like, thumbs up, subscribe, and share. So again, pass. If you have to and you find it, okay. Yeah, these are effective. They work. If you've got gnats and stuff, these work. Easy peasy, put it in the trash. No electricity, so that's a plus. So yeah. And then ultimately, this big boy right here, I am sitting in front of my grow tent, and most of my plants in my grow tent are doing okay, and some are on life support. But that's for another video. Thanks for stopping by. Peace, love, and Weku.